It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Guys, fuck. Guys, nag-crash akong drone, guys. Ah, shit. Yet, makuha mo? Sure?
Yes.
Ano mo?
Hindi na siya magugyo?
Hindi. Wasak?
Wala. Dua-dua lang niya?
Ay, nautod. Sige lang, hindi lang. Tabi, palapit be. Sige, ako lang yet. At least may bangkay.
Anong nautod?
Why. So, guys, nag-crash akong drone. Shit. Thank you Lord.